grip, you know. The snow goes in there, you're going to kill it. Alright?
Hi, YouTube.
Look at the tree top. This looks like a nice big cake.
Yeah. Yeah. I could just pop right into it. It's still snowing. Yep. Yep. Look at it.
Trying to dig our way out.
Yeah. Okay, YouTube. I gotta make it through this little passageway without touching this boat. It's on both sides. And I'm underneath an umbrella. Hi! Oh boy. Turn back. I can't turn back, we're stuck in a pickle. Oh, there's snow forming on top of the umbrella. We're caved in. Look at it. There's snow on top of the umbrella.
Yes, it is.
We're being caved in. Get under the umbrella. Or maybe not. Okay.
That's the snow.
Okay. I gotta get in the umbrella.
Watch out.
Okay. What's bigger?
It's this one.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Even this one here.
Gotta get underneath the umbrella. Okay. Okay.
Let's walk.
Let's walk where? Okay. Let's go. Where are we going?
Up ahead.
Okay.
Underneath the tree.
Okay. Oh boy.
Okay. Do all the trees from now.
Okay.
It falls on top of the snow is falling on top of the umbrella.
Being caved in. We gotta get the house. Turn around. We gotta get the house. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay.
Watch out, this tree limb over here.
Okay.
Taking down the wall.
We're good. Okay.
It's See me hanging on the side of the tree, look there.
Yeah.
See that stone on the side of the tree?
Yeah.
That's how sticky it is.
Yeah. Turn back.
Oh, there's a machine. Be ready. Oh! It almost reached to us.
It almost killed us.
Oh. That was a sea of snow coming up like a big wave.
Yeah.
Something else, a car now. A car here, now it's got the way you see road now.
Let's go. Oh, crap. We're being attacked.
The attack of the snow.
The attack of the snow trees.
The attack of the killer snow.
February 10th, 2010. Massive snowstorm in the east. This is probably going to be the first one. Just look at the mailbox. It's got an apple. A giant snowball. Let's go. Go back. No, it is not. Okay. This is WestRoadSal reporting out for part 1 for the massive snowstorm of the east. February 2010. Reporting.